So, okay, now let's try to make a report. Okay, so for example, I want to, let's say this paper, no? Let's say I want to, okay, so let's say this one. Okay, so what he did here is just to make a comparison, a map where you can see the coordinates or not. Without the coordinate, that's fine, but what's important is the scale and the legend. Okay, so let's try to do that here. So let's start with the NDVI for this one. No? So uncheck everything and make this available to you. And then go to project, new print layout. And then just click OK. The QGIS will make the title automatically. Then you will now have a layout here. Don't forget to save. So just click plus, minus, or zoom full. Okay. So let's start populating this one. Okay. So everything that you need will be here. So let's say add map. Then just click and drag where you want your map to be. So let's say this one. So this is where you want to see your data. Okay, this one, this whole thing. Okay, so this is now your map. Now, if you want to change the size, you can do so by clicking pan layout. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's click this one and then view. Wait, let me just move content. So edit, move content. So you can move your map. Okay, so let's say here. You can also move, zoom in by using your roller sa mouse. Like that. Okay. Okay. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay. To move content. Okay. Let's say this one. So this is fine. So let me just move it here. You can increase the scale. Let's say 40,000. If you decrease the scale, meaning the map would increase like that. Okay. So let's say 4,500. 45,000. Okay, this one is better. Okay. Now let's add a scale, just like this one, no? Itong scale na to. Okay, so to do that, add item, then you add your scale bar. Okay, so let's say your scale bar is here. Okay, so this is by 2 kilometers. So you can increase from the segments, you can increase the number of segments. Let's say that I want to increase to 4 segments. So this is by 4 kilometers. You can change the style. So let's say double box. You can also do ticks. You can also ticks down, ticks up, step line, hollow, numeric. Like this for the scaling. So I want a double box. It looks nice. Single box, etc. Okay. For this one. Okay. One double box, but okay. Or nawala yung dark, yung blocks na. So let me just add it again. Add scale bar. Somewhere here. And then add the number of segments to 4. Okay, if you want to put the numbers below, that's fine also. So go to display. Vertical label placement is above segments. You can go below segments. Okay. And then I want my style to be double box. Ayan. Okay, so that's it. That's for your scale. And then I want to add legend. So add item, legend, and then just drag where you want your legend is. See here. Okay, when you add your legend, you will notice that all the items here will show. Okay, so what you can do is check and show items inside the link map. So just check here. We will notice here that only the NDVI clip is shown. Okay, so let's say I want to um rename this one. So I go to properties. Okay, so let's say test title. Okay, so you see, I can see the title now. So let's say um, normalized vegetation index, NDVI, and okay, okay, so that's it. So this is now your data. Okay, or you can just delete for this one. That's okay. And then I want to font and text. You can change that. Okay, this one. Paano ako napunta doon? The layer properties. So this one again, no? Okay, so I want to remove this now. So we can check hidden. Sorry, group hidden. Yan. You can hide this layer or this name here. Okay. And then I want to rename this. I can rename this as well. No? So double click this one and then I would delete this. Tama ba? Tama ba ginawa ko? Okay, I just make it replace the band 1 gray to space. So nawala na siya. Okay, and then I could increase the so you can you can explore yung item property. So let's say I want to check if I could change the heights. So I went to position and size. So this is only for the frame, not the symbol. Symbol height 4 millimeters. So let me just spacing. Legend group. Now this is spacing. So you just, I don't know, you just let's see, move content. Turn layout. Click. Okay, so I want to change the symbols on right. Nope, symbols on left. Okay. This one. Nope, nope. Okay, this is the position. Oh. Nope. Okay, anyhow, but that's fine. That's fine. You can see clearly the range of values now. Okay, so let's add another item. So let's say a label. Okay, so let's put a label here. And let's say um, normalized normalized vegetation index, NDVI. Okay. At Taal Volcano Island, Philippines. And then let's say this is what date it is. This is data 16. No, this is February 2016. Okay, using Landsat 8 data. Okay, so let me just look at the font. Okay, and then we can go for bold and then increase the yeah. So this is now your data. Okay. Now, of course, last you want to define. So let me just move around now. Let's move the legend here. Okay, and then last, let's add a north arrow somewhere here. Okay, and then from the images here, you can change the north, let's say with an N and with the circle. Okay. Okay. So this is now your north. Okay. The size frame and image size. Yep. Okay. Can make it a little bit simpler. Let's say, this one, this one, this one is okay. Then add item, label. Then let's put letter N. Then font, bold. Then let's increase the size to 30. Okay. So this is now your map. Okay. So what else? So that's it. Okay. Then if you want to, so let's try to print this out now. So layout, and then let's say save as PDF or save as image. So this is NDVI report. NDVI save. Then save. Okay, so if we're going to go to our data here, to our folder here, this is now your report. Okay, can you see? Kita nyo ba?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, yeah. So let's try to, yes, question?
None po.
None. Okay, now, if you are already, sorry, what the vegetation, wrong spelling. Yeah, oh, vegetation in normalized, sorry, difference. Vegetation Index NDVI. Taal Volcano Island, Philippines. Okay. So let's try to save project again. Then export as PDF. That's it. Let's export as PDF. Okay. So report NDVI. Yeah. To save. Save. So let's see. Okay. So this is now the PDF. This is now the PDF data. A PDF report. Or you can save it as let's say as what you can save it as image, for example. Okay. Now, if you want this layout already, so what you can do is this, no? So this will be based on what is shown in the project. So I want to show 2020. So you just click, make this visible. Okay, and then go back to your layout. Then right click, item property. Let me just refresh, update map preview. So napalitan na siya. Okay, since we already saw, yeah, we already set that the color is 0 to 5. Then we can just change the legend 2020. So hidden. Then this one, double click this one and then just hit space. And then we just change this to, this is July 2020. And layout, then export as image if you want. So this is 2020 0701. Save. Or you can export this as PDF. So this is 2020 0701 PDF. Then save. Okay. Then let's open the PDF file that was generated. Okay. So this is 2016. This is 2020. Okay. So you notice the consistency in the image. Okay. And lastly, let's try to make the difference. So again, change the view and then click layout, click the map, then refresh. So you notice when you refresh, the legend also refreshed. So again, let's go to legend. And then hidden. This one is space. Oh, sorry. Space. And then because this one is now difference, change in normalized differential vegetation index. So let's say DNDVI. This is July 2020 minus February 2016. Or just simply 2020. You get my point. So let's make it shorter now. So July 2020 minus February 2016. Again, using Landsat data. Okay, and then layout. Don't forget to save. And then export that as image. So this is NDVI, DNDVI 2020 minus, July 1 minus 2016, February 13. And save. Okay, and then save it again as PDF if you want. This one, DNDVI as PDF. Save. Let's wait for it to finish. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is now our data. So this is 2016, 2020, and this is the difference.